Hi, I'm Andy Maddock, and I'm going to use the MegaParser to search through files to find IP addresses, take those IP addresses, put them into a SQLite database, do a up on the IP addresses and find the GPS location, and then put it onto a map. When you first start MegaParser, it's going to open up to the case page. So we're going to create a new case. And then in the second page, you can create computers or data sets. So we'll just call this computer 1. That's so you can have multiple computers. And then we're going to open a search directory. This is the directory where it's going to search recursively for IP addresses. I'm going to click that. Okay, so now that I've set that, I'm going to choose the drop down here. And in the drop down, I'm going to choose Find IPs and then hit the Begin Search button. So what this is going to do, it's going to go through every single file and folder in this directory that I've chosen and look for IP4 and IP6 addresses. And then once it finds them all, it's going to print them out onto the screen here. Okay, it found it. It highlights them in blue, as you can see. The next thing I'm going to do is, so basically it tells you down here at the bottom, it found 2,713 lines containing IP addresses. I'm going to press this bagger button. What this is going to do is it's going to take all those IP addresses, it's going to dedupe them, and then it's going to count them. So as you can see, this one has 4 and so on. Next, I'm going to press the Save to Database button, and this is going to take those results and it's going to put them into a database. So now they're in the database. I'm going to switch to the SQL view. So I'm going to click this Open SQL View button. And here I'm going to choose the drop down and I'm going to choose IP. So this is going to contain all the IP addresses that I just brought in from those files. I'm going to select a bunch of them at the top here. This is just limited by the, right now, by the API that I'm using to 40 at a time. So I'm going to hit Get ISP button. It's going to locate those. I'm going to select those, and then I'm going to click the Open in Map button. And it shows on the map. And you can zoom in or zoom out using the mouse